How to hide saved pins on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open Pinterest and there are two steps that you need to follow. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right. Once you follow these two steps, your post will be hidden. Then you click on the top left profile icon and then you search for multiple options you'll find here, but you have to search for profile visibility and you have to make sure your profile is private. So once it's private, only people who follow you can see you and see that post. But even if you don't want that, you have to go back again, and for example you select the post you want to hide. For example, I selected this post. I click on the three dots below it and I click on edit pin. Once you click on that, there will be only two options showing, that is profile and delete this pin. You have to click on profile and then you have to click on create board. Once you click on that, here you'll find an option of keep this board secret. You have to turn that on and you have to name it anything. And once you name it and you have turned it on to keep it secret, you have to click on create and then you have to click on done. And this is how you hide your saved pins from Pinterest. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.